Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to film, oh fuck, what is it called? Today I wanted to do a recreation video of Laurdiy'S new makeup tutorial. She did this, I don't really know how to describe it. It's like a, what the fuck is it called? It's like a zipper galaxy thing over her mouth. And so I bought this shit ton of makeup and I'm gonna recreate it. And I'm not good at makeup, but I'm going to try my fucking hardest to do good for you guys because I suck. So hopefully it'll turn out well. I'm pretty good at painting, so I guess we'll see what happens on my face. So yeah, let's get into it. This is Courtney. This is my roommate. She hasn't been in any videos yet, but yeah, well, I'm making her. She's gonna be in another video, I promise. So what Lauren did not do was show you guys where she got all her stuff from. So I will show you what I got. I'm sure I'm not using any high-end products or anything like she would be using, but yeah, here's where I got my stuff. Okay, the first store I went to was Target, and I got, which ones did I get from Target? I got this little Wet n Wild one. So I'm gonna use this blue and this purple. I got this little like makeup set thing. It was like in a mermaid thing and it looked like this. So I think I might use the blue and the purple in this one as well. I'm not really sure what all I'm gonna use yet. And then I got white face paint. I got black face paint. And then I got this little glitter face paint. This came in a little pack. It's like face glue for the zipper. And then I got e.l.f. brushes. So I got this blush brush. I got kind of the same sizes that she used. I don't know if these are exactly what she used, but this one is a small angled brush. Looks like this. And then I got this little pointed one. Looks like this for the stars. I'm also using eyeliner. I've had this for a while. It's Maybelline, basically. It's Maybelline. And it's just like a liquid eyeliner just to like, at the very beginning she kind of draws down her face just to, you know, be sure. The next place we went to was Dollar Tree and I got this matte eyeshadow palette. I'm just gonna use the black in this one. And then there was a dark blue in this one, so I'm using this. Oh, and then I got these little like paint pod things. I got these at Dollar Tree too. They're little pull apart foams. That was so satisfying pulling that apart. Oh my god. And then the last place I went to was Michael's to get the zipper. She uses one that has a silver zipper, but I'm gonna use the gold one because why not? So it'll basically look like this. And then it'll like go down my face like this. And then this part will be the galaxy. Let's get started with it. All right. So basically what she did first, I'm not even gonna watch her video. I kind of just want to like go for it because I kind of remember what she did. But basically what she did at first was like outline where she's gonna put it. So let's do that. Oh God. Don't laugh. Is it going bad? No. Plus, even if this line isn't straight, which it's not, oh God, at least the thing's gonna go over it. It's fine. Okay. Here's what we gonna do. Okay, all right. I see you. Oh God, I'm sucking at this line. Oh my God. It's fine. I'm fine. I'm not even worried about it. Okay, I see you. Now I just need to make this other one even. I don't know how the hell I'm gonna do that. Well, I can already fucking tell you that the left side of my face is gonna be better. It's fine, because if I go out of the lines, I can cover it up with the fucking zipper, you know? That's what it's for. Look at the fucked up lines. Okay, it's fine, it's fine. Okay, so the next thing she did was she took this brush and did the black face paint. This should be a shit show. Okay, here we go, guys. All right, I'm not too ecstatic about it being on my lips. Oh, it feels good, disgusting. Well, that went way better than I expected. Okay, great. I'm not even worried about it. What did she do with the inside of her fucking nose? Well, I want to know.
I remember her saying that she put it in there.
She did in her nose?
Yeah.
Alright, here comes the lips that I'm not excited about. Can you read the bottle and see if it says to not put it in your mouth?
That's a little light, but I'll check and see.
I mean, fuck it, but I'm kind of living.
Caution. Do not use red, orange, or pink in the eye area. Do not use blue, purple, or green on the lips. You're good.
I did better on this than I thought I was gonna do. It's bugging me how much white I can see in my nose. This is gonna be a fun shower. If I can do this, I can do fucking makeup. Come on. Okay, so what she did next, look how much black I put in there and how much I didn't use. I really want to sip of my drink. So what she did next was she, okay. So she, oh wait, I'm gonna let it dry a little bit because it's still wet.
Cute.
So what she did next was she used the matte black and she kind of just like made the whole thing more matte. I like don't know how to hold a fucking... I'm scared.
I don't think it's dry enough.
I don't either. I need a blow dryer on my face. Especially my chin, it's... Here, help me. Right, defend me, bitch. Oh! I'm kind of living for my lips right now. How is this birthday card like your nose? It's carefully picked. Happy birthday. Okay, fuck it. If I fuck up, I'll just put Galaxy over that part, right? Oh, it's like peeling off. Yeah, I fucked up. Oh, this is gonna look cool as fuck. All right, so what she did next is that she started with the different Galaxy colors. So I think she started with, like, what even is this? Who uses that? I don't do makeup and I don't use that. Okay. So I went with a lot of glittery colors just because I feel like I went with the Galaxy theme more since stars are like glittery, you know? Duh. Okay. So I think next I'm gonna use this like shimmery blue color. Again, who uses that? Oh, I hope this one works. I really like it. Oh God. It shows up really well. Wow. Ooh, I love that, bitch. Oh my God, that's gonna look dope. Okay, in the same palette, I'm gonna use this purple down here. Can you see it? I don't know. So I don't know how much has been recording and how much is not. We're just gonna continue with our regular scheduled program. Oh, god damn it. I fucked up. Okay, I think I'm gonna go into these little paints. I don't know how well they're gonna work. I'm gonna end with this glitter and it's gonna be amazing. Oh god. Yeah, this is not good, so we're not gonna use this because no, I don't like it. So what we gonna use is this glitter. The glitter looks like stars and shit, bro. No! Ah! What do I do?
She didn't know. She didn't tell us this part.
I can't get the thing open.
You want me to help you?
When you come back, I'm gonna be completely transformed. Okay, I'm gonna stop touching it, let it dry, and then I'm going to do the white paint for the stars. My phone won't recognize my face! All right, I can't wait, so I'm gonna start. It looks way better than I thought it would, honestly. Fucking galaxy, bitch. Hell yeah. I really hope that this works. Oh, it stinks. Alright, I just put the glue in here. Let's see if this works. Oh god. It's fine. Why isn't it staying? Did I just like hot glue this to my skin? Lit. I feel like I can't move my face. Okay guys, I feel like I can't talk very much, so I'm kind of gonna talk a little quietly without trying to move my face. I'm pretty proud of myself on this one, and I did it. I don't know. Lauren's video will be linked down below if you guys want to go watch it. I'm not even worried about it. But yeah, if you liked it, please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe down below. I'm selling clothes on Poshmark, so that link's also down below, and I made a streaming channel, so if you guys want to see me like live on Twitch, or I post them on here on YouTube on my other channel, it's linked down below, or it's on my channel under the different channels button. So go subscribe to that if you guys want to see me game. I play like Fortnite and stuff. Yeah, if you want email subscriptions, click the little bell. Thank you for watching. I'll catch you in the next video. Bye guys. Peace.